Guys, in these video tutorials, we are going to simply look at how to select colors without necessarily using the color wheel. Color is such a powerful tool in graphic design, the backbone of graphic design, and when not worked well, your design becomes something else. So, as a beginner, there are so many ways you can be able to get your colors for your design, get your colors to be able to get a perfect design. So in these video tutorials, I just want to introduce you to some free website where you can simply pick your colors from. Watch this video till the end, subscribe, and then like. This Max Graphics, your online graphics school. So without wasting much time, let's get into it. So what you simply do is to open your Google Chrome or any of your web browser, then you type in the website name, which is Huemint. This is the website here, Huemint. Then you tap on it. This is what you see on your interface. Then you check launch. It will take you straight forward to the interface. So this is the interface of Huemint, where you can simply generate color palettes for your work. Because color selection is very hard or very difficult, that if you are not able to get a perfect color combination, your design becomes a crap. So looking at this interface here, you have this particular icon. So what you simply do is to go to the settings icon here. Then when you click on the settings icon, you have this default. We have preset here, simple and advanced. So these are the preset colors you get when you open the interface of this particular website, and these are simple colors that you can easily generate color palettes to work with. So you have contrast, high contrast colors here. We have bright and light colors. We have colors, vibrant, dark, and hyper color. So here, what you simply do is to when you want to get high contrast color, this is where you select this one, then you hit generate from here. It will generate very contrasting colors for you. You can see them here. These are very contrasting colors you can use to design, and you get a perfect design. But in future, as a beginner, you have to stay within two colors. Stay within two colors. You can even stay within one color, and then you create what we call gradients. Gradient simply means adding darkness or brightness to your color. Stay within one color or two color. You can use two or one color, and then you create gradient out of them so that you wouldn't end up messing up, because colors are the backbone of every graphic design, and you need to be careful when working with colors. So when you want to, for instance, you want to use this particular one here, and you want other colors that will be able to work perfectly with that one, what you simply do is to click on that color, then you lock it from here. You can see the key sign there, the padlock sign. It has been locked. Then you hit generate again. That particular color will remain, but the rest will change. That particular color is going to remain there still, but the rest will change, and then will be the colors that will be able to match with that particular one you've locked. So that is what you simply do. So for instance, when I want a color that will be able to match with this particular one here, what I simply do is to lock that particular one and then generate again. I'll get colors that will be able to match with that one. So that is this for the preset. And when you come to the settings again, click on the settings. This next one here is simple. They're just simple colors that you can also use. So when you click on it, when you click on that particular one too, these are the colors you can select. So red is here, yellow and orange, green, and all that. So for instance, I want colors that will be able to work well with green color. I select green, then I move here and select hit generate rather. So these are good colors that will be able to work well with green. So I have to unlock this one. These are cool colors that will be able to work well with what? With our green. So the next thing to do here is to simply lock the color you want to work with. Just lock it as I said earlier on, then you hit generate. So let's go to the select on the green, we hit generate. So let's see what we have. These are them. You can continue to generate to get the colors that suit you, the colors that you like. So these are the colors that can work well with green. So when you pick any of these colors, you can combine it with green to be able to have a good design. So that is it for this first website. So let me quickly introduce the second website, very powerful too, that you can be able to use for your design. So with this second website too, what you simply do is to head back to your Chrome again, and then you type this word. Just type color particular, and then you select it here. That's color palette. You select it, then you have something like this, the first one up there. Then you select it. It will send you direct to the website. So this is the website. You can see very nice, very beautiful color palette. You can already see it there. So what you do is to start the generator. So you start from here. It will load. Make sure your internet connection is very strong. You can see this is even way more powerful than the Huemint in my own suggestion. So in this place, you can see the keys here. You can see key symbols there, which means you can easily lock that particular color. Then you generate color that will be able to match well with it. So you can see generate button here. So for instance, if I want to get colors that will work well with this particular color down here, but I don't want this one, what I simply do is to lock it from here. You can see the key or the padlock has been locked. So what I simply do is to lock it that way, and I hit generate. See, this one is even way faster than the Huemint. So you can see it here. You can see that I can work with this same color with this one. This one can also work with this one. This is what you simply do to generate colors for your work as a beginner. Stay within the two colors that can match very well. So as you advance, you can do the extraordinary. So with this particular one here, you can also just look for the copy icon, which this here. So if you want to copy the color code here, so that you can simply go and paste it and generate the color on your working space, whether you're using Canva or Pixel Lab or any other designing software, you can simply copy this one here and then you go and paste it there. So this is where you copy your work from or your color code from. So when you hit on this particular one, you can see copy to clipboard. So that means the color code of this particular one here has been copied. And then when I go to my working space, I can easily use it to generate my color. So that is it for this particular website. So when you want to generate colors for your design, you need to actually take note of the color combination very well, because bad color combination will make your design very uninteresting to the viewer's eye, which you wouldn't want your viewers to run away from your design. So you can see this. You can just play around this particular website, and you get amazing color combination that will shock you. So this is Max Graphics, your online graphics school.